3 remaining officers indicted in the 2020 racial justice protests are all set to appear in court.
Originally, more than a dozen were also charged and indicted for using excessive force during the protests, but many of those cases were dropped. KVUE's Eric Pointer joins us now live from the Travis County Courthouse. So, Eric, what charges are the remaining officers facing?
Yvonne, those 3 officers are set to appear in a courtroom in this building behind me, and they're all facing separate felony charges related from various incidents that happened during those protests. Now, those officers are Chance, Bretches, Jeffrey Teng, and Kyle Felton. According to online court docket as of this morning, all 3 are set to appear in court at 1:15 this afternoon. 21 officers were officially charged, but later, District Attorney Jose Garza dropped 17 of those cases. Jeffrey Teng was charged with aggravated assault by a public servant and deadly conduct by discharging a firearm. And Kyle Felton is charged with 2 counts of aggravated assault by a public servant and also deadly conduct by discharging a firearm. When asked about the remaining officers facing these charges, DA Garza says that those cases had aggravating circumstances, including actions flagged by other officers as inappropriate. Bretches was charged separately by the Civil Rights Unit with aggravated assault with serious bodily injury by a public servant and aggravated assault with a deadly weapon by a public servant. He is accused of shooting a beanbag round at a street medic, causing her to lose part of her finger. Now, Garza also said that he would seek a federal investigation into whether the department had a pattern of racial bias and unlawful force during protests. Now, a lot of those charges stemmed from the use of those beanbag rounds, and police have since decided not to use those anymore.